In this expression, we have a binomial divided by a monomial. First, we need to write the two terms separately. 14a squared bc and divided by the same denominator, 2bc squared. Minus divided by plus is minus 8b squared a squared c divided by the same denominator, 2bc squared. 2bc squared. In this case, we have coefficients and different variables. So we divide coefficient with coefficients and the corresponding variables. In this case, we have 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then we have a squared here, and we don't have the denominator, so we keep a squared. b and a b in the denominator, we have b power 1 in denominator minus the power of the 1 in the denominator, that is 1. c divided by c squared, this will be c power 1 minus 2. Then we have minus the same procedure, the coefficients first. A divided by 2 is 4. B squared divided by b, this will be b power 2 minus 1. A squared, we don't have an a squared or any a in the denominator, so we keep a squared. And c will be c power 1 minus 2. Therefore, if we reduce the powers, it will be 7 a squared b 0. For this, c 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 b power 2 minus 1 1 a power 2 and c power minus 1. The power 0 means that the variable has a value of 1, and the negatives indicates that those variables should be in the denominator. C minus 1 will be in the denominator with power 1. Minus 4, b, a squared, and c power 1 minus 1. This is in the denominator. Then we have in common a squared in both terms and c in both terms. So we apply common factor. A squared divided by c, that multiplies 7 in order to get the first term, minus 4b in order to get the second term. And this will be the result.